Hey, it's that time of the year when you think it's time to clean the windows. Excellent idea. In this video I'll show you how this sliding window can be taken apart for cleaning. Let's start from fully closed position here. It's important because the glass is quite heavy, is to have nothing on the ground here next to the window. Let me show you. You're gonna have to stand here. This fridge is a little bit in the way. Don't worry about it. But you kind of have to stand close to the window because you can't lift with your arms fully extended. You kind of have to lift the window like this, close to your center of gravity. I hope that makes sense. So the window, besides being able to open and slide sideways, it's got good seals on it, but those can be and should be checked every so often. Besides the sliding motion, inside the frame, this movable part can also go up and down. I'm lifting it up and dropping it back down. Now, I don't know about your grip strength. You obviously can't do this with bad back, bad elbow, whatever. Or you know, bad fingers or whatever, because you kind of have to grip it. So this moves up and down in the frame a little bit. So it's not gonna pop out in the closed position or near the closed position. You have to move it over to the open position. This is the spot where the frame is cleverly designed so the bottom can be popped out of the frame at this particular position. When you lift up, it can clear the frame. When you lift it up over here in the closed position, when you lift it up, it doesn't clear the frame. Halfway, it doesn't. Fully over, this is where it clears the frame. That's how you can take it out, and that's how you can put it on the ground and clean it. Outside, inside, check the seals, check the seals. Now, what do you do with the fixed half? You may have a mosquito or bug mesh on the window here, which comes out of the frame somehow. This one has these springs that can be compressed, some lifting tabs on it that can compress this spring moving this way, and then you can take it out of the frame, and then hopefully you can reach the outside from the inside without climbing a ladder. And clean the window here. It's got weep holes in the frame, so when the rain hits the glass, it runs down and water comes out through these weep holes in the frame. So this needs to be clean here for draining water. Very straightforward.